Well, here we are looking in at Precious Piper and her spa. Yeah, she's cleaning her little paws. Yeah, you like to have a nice time in your spa, don't you? Staying nice and clean and relaxed. Yeah, I'm looking out at the pretty view through your window. That's pretty fun, isn't it? Oh, now you're going to get all comfortable. Oh, that's just heartwarming. Yeah, I just love to watch you get all nice and comfortable in your spa. Looks very relaxing to me. Look at that, enjoying the view. She's kind of half sitting, half laying there. Yeah, why don't you just stretch out and relax, huh? She's looking at something. Yeah, you need to be able to let go of the distractions in the room and just enjoy your spa. Well, she's trying. Look at that, she's trying. Good job, Piper.